Happy Sunday, traders. We're bringing it live to you on the 590 SPY puts. We bought them at $8.50 a couple days ago. They reached a high of $14.91. We also bought the 580 puts on the SPY as well. The SPY could easily pop above resistance. It could on the election. But with the election and volatility, we could see the SPY having a big pullback in the month of November. Now, with the election period here, it's going to be extremely volatile, but this is going to pay us a lot of money. We should walk away with at least $7,000 on the 590s, not to mention the 580 puts that we bought for $4.50 on the 585s, along with the 590s on the low. And we have a problem on the daily. Yes, it's possible. I don't put it past the bull, but we think that the volatility with the election is going to be horrendous. But we do favor Donald Trump. Not that we favor, the public favors Donald Trump. Watch for lower lows on the SPY with the election outcome.